The Sukhoi Su-57's composite wing box begins as layers of carbon fiber prepreg tape. Our The advanced material curing process begins. The robotic arm ensures precise placement before the infrared sensor.
The laser micrometer scans the prepreg tape, verifying exact thickness and uniformity.
Confirming Process A routing for the main wing box.
Acknowledged. Releasing materials for Process B panels now.
Waveforms look nominal across the board. No internal anomalies detected.
Thermal signatures are consistent. Lot is clear for production.
The advanced material curing process utilizes RFID technology. This label locks critical data.
In this separate zone, we initiate pre-processing for the insulating panels. A worker uses an
To ensure the integrity of the wing box, a specialized vision system checks for delamination before the debulking cycle removes trapped air.
All materials staged, ready for automated layup sequence.
Confirmed.
The robotic gantry system begins Process A, transferring the carbon fiber prepreg plies to the Sukhoi Su-57 wing box mold.
The fiber alignment on the curve is precise.
Verified. Stealth characteristics are maintained as per the blueprint.
2019. The massive autoclave is central to the advanced material curing process. Inside the composite wing
The data confirms Process A is fully completed and meets all specifications.
Very good. Authorizing movement to storage.
The Sukhoi Su-57 Wing Box, having completed its advanced curing process, is now logged into the central inventory system, ready for final assembly.
The advanced material curing process is critical. Here we see the meticulous demolding of the insulating panels.
Manifest confirms the Su-57 wing boxes. All 8 in crates accounted for.
Signed and sealed. Will ensure on-time delivery.
Delivery confirmed for the Su-57 composite panels.
Acknowledged. We will begin unloading sequence 1.
Alignment confirmed. Process B fitment is validated. We are clear for the next phase.
At maximum thrust, the heat is intense. The specialized thermal lens reveals how the insulating panels shield the wing box assembly.
The inspection reveals the structural cavity. Despite high operational temperatures and vibration, the composite panel remains
The precise dimensions and thermal properties of these insulating panels are essential for maintaining the alignment of sensors and wiring harnesses.
The advanced composite panels ensure temperature stability and reliable performance for all critical avionics and sensors. Pre-flight checks are nominal.
Flying at supersonic speeds generates significant heat. However, the advanced material curing process and composite insulating panels ensure structural integrity and stealth.
Through advanced material curing, the composite wing box and insulating panels are built to endure the extreme heat of vertical takeoff.